Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to pop a soda can, any soda can, really loud. So yeah, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just shake it a bunch, and then you turn the cap, or whatever this is called. You turn it the opposite way, like that. And then all you have to do... Oh, frick, it broke. Oh, shoot. It broke this time.
Oh, this time it didn't work. But hold on a minute.
Wait. So guys, I'm going to show you how to pop a soda, any soda can really loud. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Just shake it with any soda can, and then you turn the, whatever this is called, I don't know what this is called, the part where you open it, you turn it to the front like that, and then you just shake it, and then
Wow.
it pops it super loud.
Wow, that's
But your finger
good.
your finger might get numb after doing that.
Wow, really?
Yeah, like my finger feels numb right now, but it doesn't cut you unless you like aim down.
So we can tell
But you
them
aim like that way. So yeah,
be
that's how you
careful
do it.
while you're doing, right?
Yeah, that's loud.
You don't need to
Oops.
cut your finger. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye.